Hi everyone, my name is Dave, and I'll show you how to install and sign up for the OZE Business app. This link will take me directly to the Google Play Store where I can install the app. And click Open. The first screen contains a little video about the app. After you've watched it, click Sign Up. Now enter your details to create an account. First, your phone number, then your email, and then a password that contains at least 8 characters, 1 or more capital letter, and no spaces. Make sure to repeat the password exactly as you entered it the first time. Then click Next. Accept our terms and conditions by clicking the checkbox and OK. Now we've sent you a verification code to your email and SMS. Let's get the code. There's the email from Coach, and my code is, let's go back to the app and enter it. Now we're verified. Let's set up our profile with OZE. Enter your first name, enter your last name, and if the referral code is not already there, then you'll want to enter it here. But since it's already there, let's go ahead and click Next. Now what's my business name? Let's just call it Dave's Business. But you'll enter the name of your actual business. Select the industry your business operates in. Let's select fashion. Describe your business in one sentence or phrase. We have the best fashion products. Then enter a location. What neighborhood does your business operate in? I'll put OZE. Then click Next. Finally, select what your primary goal is. You can select getting ready for a loan, increasing sales, or even learn business management skills. Then select your currency. We'll stick with Ghanaian cedis. And how much business does your cash have on hand? That's how much money your business has in its bank account, or in cash, or in its mobile money account. Let's say we have 100 to start. And that's it. Click Launch OZE.